Hey guys, welcome. I want to show you what we got here. We got this printer. This is HP OFFICEJET PRO 9125E. It's multifunctional printer. You can copy, scan, print, and fax with this printer. This printer uses 937 ink cartridges in the UK and 936 cartridges in the US. In terms of the printing speed, 18 prints per minute for color and 22 prints per minute for black. Option to print automatic double-sided. This printer is with ADF, automatic document feeder. Connectivity, you can connect this printer to Wi-Fi network, Wi-Fi direct, USB cable connection, and Ethernet. In terms of the paper sheet, you can load up to 35 sheets of paper in the ADF, 250 sheets of paper in the casket. Compatibility device, smartphone and laptop. Maximum color printing resolution up to 4800 by 1200 dpi. In terms of the paper size, you can load 8.5 inch by 11, 27 by 11 inch, A4 paper, photo paper, etc. Black and white printing resolution 1200 by 1200 dpi, and you can print up to 99 sheets in one go. Control type Android. Power consumption 5.06 watts. What we want to do is unbox this printer, check it out, see what is inside. With this printer, you also have 3 months of instant ink option to you whether you want to use the service or not. But after that, you'll be charged unless you cancel the service, and you require HP Plus, but it's not compulsory, so you can decide if you want it or not. This is something that I want you to be aware of. You can connect this printer using HP Smart App, which you can download from Apple Store or Google Play Store, Microsoft Store. So let's unbox this. This is statement of compliance, quick start guide. This is the ink cartridge in here. 937. This is black. And 937 cyan, magenta, and yellow. So these are the ink cartridges included in the packaging. 4 of those. 937 in the UK, 936 in the US. This is the power cable, 3-pin power cable included in the packaging. You can see what it looks like. It's a mixture of color. This is the automatic document feeder with blue and gray parts. This is the LCD screen. This is the scanner. At the back here, the power cable goes here. Ethernet cable and the USB port are on top. USB port is covered with a paper. Unfortunately, USB cable is not included in the packaging. It's my critics with this printer. Sometimes a lot of people want to connect this printer with USB cable, but they don't have the option. It means that you need to get a USB cable separate on the first port on your right. So to connect this printer, plug the power cable, push it inside at the back. Then plug it onto the socket. USB drive. If you want to print from USB drive, you have the option here for you to stick the USB drive and print your document. You switch this printer on and off on top here, and this is the LCD screen. This is the paper casket. You can adjust this. If you want to adjust it full, then you need to push this down here and adjust it to the full length. If you want to load C5 or number 10 paper, you need to adjust this. So if you bring this down, then it will be C5. If you push this down, then it will be number 10 paper. So you can load various sizes of paper. You can also adjust this to A4 8.5 by 11 paper. If you want to bring this cover out, you need to press this down, push these two buttons down for you to be able to bring it out, and also put it back. It's in. So if you lift this printer up here, lift it up, the ink cartridge holder will position itself. This is where the ink cartridge holder is currently. Once it's ready for you to install this, it will move from this corner and position itself to the center for you to change the ink. If you have any paper jam, open up the back for you to check for any paper jam and debris. So this is what inside of this printer looks like. If you need the pin number for this printer, is on this sticker here. So this is the unboxing of this printer. Thank you.